Hi, I'm Matthew Ashley and welcome to Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update. Starting with the euro, and the bear had a rather volatile session, ultimately closing lower at around the 10.37 mark. The slip came largely as a result of the German trade balance data, which came in at around 21 billion rather than the predicted 23.6 billion figure. However, the stronger than expected US non-farm employment change result did also help to push the pair lower, despite some of the downward pressure being offset by the uptick in US unemployment rate to 4.9%. Going ahead, keep an eye on the German final CPI results, which are due out shortly. Turn to the cable now, and the pair managed to move fractionally higher as it fought to move back above the 1.30 handle. Unfortunately, even with the uptick in US unemployment, there wasn't enough momentum to get the cable back above the handle, and the pair closed around the 1.2935 mark. The UK trade balance was also posted, and this came in above expectations at negative 9.88 billion. But this too failed to provide the fuel required to see the cable recover above the 1.30 handle. As we move on, keep an eye on the BRC retail sales monitor results, which are due out shortly. Finally, the Swissy had another strong showing during the session and closed up at around the 0.9818 level. The move came somewhat of a surprise given the fact that the Swiss unemployment rate came in at 3.3%, a rather sizable drop from the previous 3.5%. The move is largely a result of the flow of capital out of the franc as the pair seeks to return to the 0.9956 level, the price at which the Swissy was prior to the pricing of the Brexit vote risk. As for the coming session, it's relatively news light on both the Swiss and US fronts, but keep a watch on the FOMC members' addresses closely as they could attempt to jawbone the pair. Well, that's all I have for you today. This has been Matthew Ashley with Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update.